mouth watering now, but no, this is not for us, and this is not at all our cup of tea in the last 40 days of the PGME preparation for NEET PG 2021. Now, first of all, I'm not going to ponder you for losing some of the extra pounds that you may have put on, or I'm not going to tell you something so that you avoid gaining some extra pounds in this last stage of preparation. Certainly it does not matter if you put on some extra pounds in this NEET PG preparation. It is worthwhile. But yes, if you want to get some diet which is pro your studies, and you want to get some tips, okay, I am not a dietitian, but certainly I can tell you, I can guide you with my experience how you can prolong your study period along with some healthy diets which are quick, okay, you can do them easily, and that will certainly give you a more focused time. So first of all, let us start with the morning itself, okay. Now if you are a early riser, then I'm sure that you must be knowing that what suits you in the morning. But if you are new early riser, because in the last days of preparation we have to get up early. Now we have to restrict our sleep. First of all, I will say that whatever time you are going to bed, don't take sleep more than 5 to 6 hours, okay. It has got two benefits. Number one, this will give you some extra hours of study, and that can prove a boon to you at this time. And the second important thing is that if you are sleeping extra in this time, you are going to feel low all throughout the day, because feeling that you have wasted time. So I would say 6 hours is the optimal time. Don't try to sleep more than this. Now, if you are an early riser, you don't know what to do, and you are feeling drowsy during the early morning. Now what to do? So I have a good tip. You can go with the lemon and honey in the morning. It goes very good, and this will help you in your morning awakening, refreshing mind, so that you can start your day with a lot of healthy things. Now this will also help you to stretch your time, okay. You don't want that if you have got up early, you spend all the time in eating and drinking. Obviously, what's the fun? So what you're going to do, if you're taking this along with a fruit, maybe a banana, that's a quick one, you don't have to cut it all. Now this will give you a quick meal, and now you can easily prolong your studies. Maybe you have gotten up at 5 or 6 till 10 or 11, okay. So you have at a stretch fresh mind with the fresh body and energy, and you have already completed your 5 good hours of studying. Alright, now when you start taking your breakfast, okay, don't avoid it. Most of the times when we are studying, we are going to our lectures, our colleges, we get up late and we are in a hurry, we are missing the first class, and most of the times as a students, especially those who are PGs or hostlers and don't have mamas giving the breakfast, avoid the breakfast, and I would say that is the biggest blunder. Never start your day with hypoglycemia. Have a good breakfast, a sumptuous breakfast. It is just like a sustained release tablets which will go on releasing the energy throughout the day. So for this, you can have your milk, you can have your eggs, you can have an omelette, you can have a besan chila, you can have a stuffed paratha. I think I have given you enough choices, something of that sort, depending upon your dietary habits, so that you have good amount of proteins and fats, and little bit avoiding the carbs, because that will make you drowsy, and I don't want you to be drowsy during the day, especially during those hours where you should be very active. You will be going to prepare for your exam on the day also. You should be active during these hours, because most probably during the lunch hours you are going to have your paper. Now as you reach to the lunch hour, you are not going to have lunch. Yeah, what ma'am you are saying? yes, you heard me right. You are not going to have lunch. Now, that does not mean that you will starve. You will not have that proper lunch, but you will have something that will again refreshen you and that will give you a quick break also. Now, here the two things are that you don't have to take your lunch break or your, relaxation breaks separately. They should be combined. Whenever you feel that now you are not going to study because you are feeling saturated, you need a break, club it with your lunch break also or your eating break also. So in that time you are going to have the fresh fruits, whatever you want, and some juices, some shakes. You can have anything which is giving you a lot of vitamins and the minerals. And I am not telling you any sort of that menu which is hard to find. So I don't want to give you a menu which is hard to find and you are actually struggling and you are spending so many of your busy hours, which are your precious time, in getting the right menu. It is just that you can have fresh fruits, and I know that many of us do not take particular fruits, but I know this also, that each one of us takes some fruits or the other. So you can have the banana, the apple, the grapes, anything that you like, the oranges, and if you take the muskmelon, the watermelon, I think that are fantastic because that is also giving you the hydration. Now by the time you reach to the evening, it will be your evening tea time, and along with this, okay, don't take the pakoras and the chips. I will say strict no, because they are going to make your stomach heavy, and again when you are full you will start feeling drowsy, and especially when you have woken up early in the morning, this will be the time that will make you weak, and you will start seeing bed in your mind. So avoid it. Take a tea and coffee, and one thing I'll say, when you take the tea and coffee, don't take it alone, because that will cause you gastritis and irritability chances are very very high. So just take 2 Parle-G biscuits. Now why ma'am only Parle-G? I think this is a very good option. Everybody likes that Parle-G, and that is avoiding your bakery stuff, because biscuits mean some people take a lot of cashew biscuits, creamy biscuits. So by this again you are going to make you feel yourself heavy, and you should avoid them. Bakery stuff you should avoid. Okay, then as you approach your dinner time, now I would say you will have a good dinner, because during the day I have not allowed you to take the proper meal. So I would just say yes, you have to take the proper meal, but it is better that you delay that dinner or your meal till the time you want to stretch up your studies. Now suppose it could be 10 or 11, something like this, or 12, it depends upon you. So in the end when you go, that time you have the dinner, because ideally people say that we should complete our dinner with lesser than 8 or 9. We should not stretch it. Now this is an exception that I am telling you, because the moment you are full with the dinner, you will be seeing your bed and bedroom, and then I think it will be difficult for you to stretch your studies, because you have worked whole day long and you have not taken your full meal, and you had also waken up early. So try to stretch, okay, avoid the dinner until and unless you are full for the day and you have achieved the targets. Then another important thing, keep one water bottle always handy with you whenever you are studying. So from the supermarkets you can purchase, you can even order them from the Amazon. They are available on the Amazon also, anything, any grocery, grofers, anything that you like. So now simply summarizing the things in just 5 diet mantras. First of all, maintaining the hydration status throughout the day is very very important. Number 2, you have to start your day with something that is not irritating you. You should avoid the dairy products in the morning, because they at times lead to the abdominal irritability. You can go with the healthy options like lemon, curd, honey, something like this, along with the banana, which is giving you some protection against the gastritis, and you can prolong your studies till the breakfast. Take a sumptuous breakfast, a healthy breakfast, no lunch, lot of fruits, and avoid munching with the cokes and Pepsis and bakery items and the biscuits and the chips, and okay, and then You can keep your nutri bars handy throughout the day. Whenever you feel like eating something, chipping something, and then dinner you have to extend till the time you want to study. So I hope this diet mantra, which has helped me over the years, will help you too also. Do like the video if you liked it, and motivate me in making more of such interesting and helping videos for you people. To subscribe to the channel so that you can keep on getting these success mantras till NEET PG 2021, and please share the video with whom you want as well as whoever you think will actually be helped by this. Not only for NEET PG 2021, any student that is preparing for any exam will be benefited by this. Thank you and bye bye.